the bathtub, at clubs, at home, on the road, in your face, unload, in your eyeball, fall while walking on the sidewalk after nightfall, to the point you spray Lysol, despite all the things that the people might say. I grab my genitals and tell them have a nice day. The right way to grab a mic is constantly exhibited by me and the MC that knows that he's unlimited. It's eminence like water splashing on the coastlines. That I go to town meetings where on the bulletin board I post rhymes. Most times, don't give a fuck about what you're telling me. I get excited and crash a 3rd grade spelling bee. And just as a girl named Bethany's about to win by spelling cheese, I interrupt the train of thought by yelling freeze. And when she sees that I am nothing but a prankster, she tells the teacher, but I proceed to go and yank her for her title of 3rd grade vocabulary.